everyone, this is Valentina. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm so excited to review a robotic pool cleaner by Fanttik. So I've got the Fanttik Aero X. This one can run for up to 6 hours. It can develop a speed of 1.6 feet per second, and it cleans it all: floor, walls, waterline. Guys, welcome to the review. I would like to start with saying thank you, Fanttik, for sponsoring this video. My review is, of course, professional and honest from my personal experience. So I have been testing out the Fanttik Aero X for a few weeks now, and I've got some thoughts. I love the cool innovations, and well, guys, let's dive in. Out of the box, the setup was dead simple. My first impression was literally, wow, it looks so cool and so different from every other pool cleaner I've seen, because it's built in a shape of a tank, in a style of like a small little tank. So it definitely stands out with the exterior design. Now the setup once again is dead simple. Just charge it fully and then drop it into your pool and you're good to go. So you have total 2 buttons right here, and this is how you control your robot. So you can turn it on or off. It talks to you.
Scheduled cleaning.
How cool. Then you can switch between the modes by sliding it to the right.
Waterline. All around. Floor. Waterline. All around. Floor.
And you can choose the cleaning cycle.
Focus cleaning. Scheduled cleaning. Focus cleaning. Waterline. All around.
One thing I have noticed right away, it's not your average pool cleaner. Fanttik built this with tech roots, literally from a DJI-linked R&D team. So it's not surprising that it uses things like sonar, gyros, and a 12-sensor AquaPilot navigation system. It doesn't wander randomly. It actually knows where it's been and where it needs to go. I love this part. The build feels premium for an under $500 robot, and yes, it won the 2025 Good Design Award before even hitting the market. Now guys, in my opinion, it is the Waterline star. So Waterline is my biggest pain off point, and this is where it really surprised me. The Waterline cleaning ability is excellent. So do you know this annoying grease and scale right where the water meets the tiles? Yeah, we all know. Well, most robots either ignore it or do a lazy pass. Well, Aero X doesn't just reach the waterline. It climbs up 2 inches above it at a 15-degree of incline, and this is thanks to the AdapDrive active invert brush it's built with, which is automatically adjusts speed between 80 and 100 RPM. All this combined with its AquaPilot navigation system, which gives you 130% more coverage than a standard cleaner. And yes, it actually works. I saw way fewer missed spots compared to my old cleaner. Now guys, let's talk about the coverage. Well, this thing moves. I mean, literally 0.5 meters per second. That's 4 times the industry average. So it is fast. It can clean over 1,000 square feet per hour and handle pools up to 5,382 square feet, which equals to about 500 of square meter. Well, consider that the average size for a private in-ground swimming pool in the USA typically ranged between 600 and 800 of square feet. So Fanttik gives you 1,000 square feet per hour, which means that in 1 hour it can clean more than an average American private pool. So it's supposed to cover most of the clients out there. Now guys, let's talk about the navigation. The cleaning path it is building, it's not a random one. It follows an N+Z pattern, which combines edge following and uses obstacle avoidance to adapt on the fly. This feature is especially useful in oddly shaped pools or ones with stairs and slopes up to 55 degrees. Now I've got a slope in this pool today, guys, and the Aero X didn't even flinch. It also comes with an extra wide 15.7-inch rotating brush and with a 4,500 of RPM variable speed pump. All this together helps to tackle everything from sand and debris to stubborn stains. Now let's talk about the battery. So the battery life is another big plus. It runs for about 6 hours on a single charge, and to recharge it in full will take about 5 hours only. Now in addition to that, there is also a smart power management built in, and at 7% of battery left, it will automatically dock itself poolside, which makes it easy to fish it out with a hook. Now let's talk about all the control options, and well, it has a lot, and to be correct, it has 3 control options. So you have the controls on the robot itself, which they are super intuitive and easy to understand, user-friendly. You just move it from side to side, and it tells you aloud what is happening. So you can easily switch between modes, turn it on, turn it off, connect to the smart application, and so very on. Then you have the smart mobile app. Well, I mostly use the app and I love it. The biggest advance for me is that it lets you to fully control the robot while it is working, which I haven't seen in many other robotic pool cleaners. To me, that's a big advantage. Now, the smart app lets you adjust speed, choose between cleaning modes, schedule runs, and even track coverage in real time. Also, it comes with a physical remote controller, which is an amazing and great option too. It's so fun to play with this one. It even has like a joystick that you can like play with your robot. So this one is fantastic to use as you are standing poolside, and if you have specific spots you want to clean, or if you just want to steer it somewhere and do a spot clean or do a wall clean here and there, well, you don't have to remove it from the water to do it all. You can do it while it is working inside of your pool. So the remote controller is also extra cool, and it is even has voice prompts, as I told you before. Now, in conclusion, the Fanttik Aero X did amazing for me. I truly love all the performance. It was able to collect everything from the pool, and even though my pool was really clean, it was still able to find lots of debris that I didn't even think they are there. In my opinion, this is the best robotic pool cleaner under $500 I have tested. Absolutely. You are getting smart navigation, serious waterline cleaning, long battery life, and actual app control, not gimmicks. Now guys, if you have any questions, please let me know down below in the comments. Well guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine. This robotic pool cleaner worked the best for me. It cleans every single thing from the pool, like this sand, which is impossible, like truly impossible to get out of your pool, at the bottom of your pool, like on the floor. This one is impossible to get rid of. Well, Fanttik Aero X takes care of it like it's a piece of cake. Just cleans it in seconds. So the most annoying thing about cleaning your pool, it's a piece of cake for the Aero X. And guys, I will highly recommend you to check this one out. I will leave you all the links down below at the description box to this video of mine, as well as any other type of information like coupon codes, sales, promotions, any possible way to save some money of yours. Definitely worth it. Check out the description box. Also the link, of course, a direct link to this product. Now guys, that was actually all for today. I'll see you on my next videos. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and I love you all. XOXO Valentine.